guess what? So my friend cried so bad. I said, friend, I want some of your food. So my friend came through and dropped this off. A load of patty tots and a load of sausages. I hope I'm saying it right or whatever. But okay, well, I'm finna taste this shit and I'm finna see what's the fuck good. Okay, now. Ooh, this shit wet, juicy. It look like it got a lot of flavor in it. Oh, damn, this shit wet as hell. I'm still trying to lift it up. Damn, friend. Damn. I can't even. You been bluffing. You been bluffing. You been bluffing. Oh, my mama. It's good. It's like, I got good. Okay, let's try the tater tots. All right, y'all, let's try the tater tots. The loaded tater tots. This shit makes you want to slap your mama. Piss on your mama, child. This shit good. This shit, it's just good, yo. Oh, my friend crying so bad. 10 out of 10, bitch. You did this. Bitch, I ain't even eating with no fork, bitch. Eating ghetto fabulous, bitch. Real ghetto. This bitch good in a bitch. Fuck a fork. Bitch, that hard. Ain't like a dog, bitch.